Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, we will show you how to remove a credit card from your Netflix account or delete a payment method. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is simply open your browser and open Netflix in your browser. Then simply hover over your account icon, then click on Account over here, and over here you should be able to see an option called Manage Payment Methods. Click on that, and then you should be able to see your default payment method. Now, right away, you won't be able to remove your payment method directly if you have only a single payment method. So in order to remove your default or current payment method available, you have to create a new payment method. Click on Add Payment Method and add a new payment method. And then once you add your new payment method, you can go back to this menu, and in this Update section, you will have an option to edit. Click on the Edit option and remove that particular payment method. And once you do that, the newly added payment method that you just added will become your default payment method. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to remove your credit card or delete a payment method in Netflix. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.